For today's video, I'm going to focus on the core. We're going to take some basic moves and really build the base to strengthening your core, which includes your abdominals, your lower back, and your pelvic floor. So grab a mat and let's go ahead and begin. Begin by lying all the way down on your mat. We're going to kick it off with a pelvic floor exercise. So with the feet flat on the ground, head relaxed on the ground and shoulders relaxed, think about pulling the belly button to spine. And what we're going to do is lift that pelvic floor up, squeezing the glutes, keeping the abs tight, and then slowly lower down. So we're going to go ahead and lift the pelvic floor, hold for 3 seconds, 2, 1, and then lower down. Again, lift 3, 2, 1, and lower down. We're going to do 8 of these. Lift 3, 2, 1, lower down. Good. Lift 2, 3, and lower down. Make sure to keep those abs nice and tight. 2, 1, and down. Again, exhale, lift. Good. Give me 4 more of those. Lift up for 3, 2, 1, and lower. Lift up. Good. And 1 more. Exhale, lift and squeeze. 3, 2, 1, and down. From here, we're going to go ahead and do a bridge. So with the heels down again, same body position we just finished with. Pull the belly button to spine. Do that little pelvic tilt. And then we're going to lift the hips up. Think about squeezing those glutes and keeping the abs tight to support the back. Okay, ready? Inhale. Exhale, lift those hips up, squeeze those glutes, and then slowly lower down. We're going to do 10 of these total. Here we go. Inhale, exhale, lift and squeeze for 3, 2, 1, and bring it down. Good. Again, exhale, 3, 2, 1, and lower. You've got it. Lift and squeeze, keeping those glutes nice and tight. And down, exhale up, lift. You got it. Let's get 5 more of those. Inhale, exhale, lift up all the way to the sky. Yes. And bring it down. Lift up and squeeze. You're doing great. Awesome. 3 more. Exhale, lift, squeeze for 3, 2, 1. Make sure you're driving through those heels. Keep that pelvic floor curled in. Lift up, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. And 1 more. Exhale, lift, squeeze. 3, 2, 1, and lower down. Fantastic job. The next exercise we're going to do is a dead bug. We're going to bring those legs up to tabletop or 90 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and bring my hands all the way up to the ceiling. Opposite arm, opposite leg. So the goal for yourself is to, again, keep the abs tight and make sure there's no space between your lower back and the mat. So I'm going to go ahead and take my right arm back, left leg extended, pressing those hip bones to the ground. Inhale, and then exhale, bring them back up. Other side. Inhale, reach out. Exhale, back up. All right, so that's the movement. Let's get 12 total. That'll be 6 on each side. Here we go. Inhale, back. Controlled. Exhale up for 12. Good. Nice and slow and controlled. Go at your own pace. You've got it. If you find your back arching, raise that leg a little higher like this one. Extend, and that'll help bring that lower back down. Good. Inhale. Exhale up. You're doing great. Stay with it. 3 more on each side. Inhale back. Exhale up. Watch that lower back. Keep it pressed down. Core stabilization. Good. 4 more. Here's 4. And up. 3. Great job. 1 more on each side. Inhale, exhale up, and 1 more. Good work. Go ahead, hug those knees into the chest and give yourself a little bit of a stretch. Okay, for the next exercise, we're going to do a basic crunch with a pelvic tilt lift. So setting those feet down on the ground, place your hands light behind the head, looking up at the ceiling, elbows back in your peripheral vision, pull the belly button in. When we do this, we're going to exhale, crunch up, add a pelvic tilt lift, and then nice and slowly lower. All right, here we go. Exhale up, lift, squeeze. We have 10 of these. And down, nice and slow. Looking up at the ceiling the whole time. Good. Exhale up and down. There's 7. Good work. Lift up, squeeze. 6, squeezing those glutes on top as well. Up for 5. You got it. 3 more. Lift 3. There's 2. Last one, hold this up. Bring it up 1 more inch. And nice and easy, bring it down. Fantastic job. For the next move, we're going to do a modified star. Go ahead and bring those knees into the chest. Lift your head up. Inhale, reach those legs and arms back. Head comes down. Exhale, crunch, bring them in. So we're going to inhale, reach the arms back. Exhale, crunch. All right, ready? 10 of these. Here we go. Inhale, exhale. If you find your back arching, raise those legs a little higher. There's 9. Good. 8. Reach. 7. You got it. 6. 5. 4 more. 4. 3. 2 more. And last one. Good job. And relax the head. Rock side to side. Bringing those legs up to 90 degrees. Upper body stays relaxed. We're going to alternate toe taps down on the mat. So inhale down. Exhale, bring it back up to 90 degrees. Toes pointed. Now, if you need to, make it a shorter range motion. Tap straight down and up. If you're feeling good, you can reach a little bit farther down. Good. Reach down, back up. Again, watch that space between your lower back. Think about pulling that belly button to spine. Inhale, exhale, come up. Let's do 8 more. Inhale, exhale for 8. Good. 7, 6, 5, in 4, 3. Nice job. 2, and 1. Hug it in. Nice work. We're going to go ahead and do a set of bird dogs. So pull the belly button to spine, support the lower back, extending the right arm with the left leg. Something opposite. Extend up and then pull in. Exhale, lift and lower. Good. Do it again. Exhale. Inhale down. Come at 4 and in. We're going to do 10 on each side. 5. Good. Controlled. 6. If it's too difficult with the arm and the leg, keep both hands down on the ground and keep the leg motion. Got 2 more. Exhale up. Pull in. 1 more. Beautiful. Hands and knees down. Sit back for a quick child's pose. And then we'll get the other side. Gently bring this up. Hands and knees position. Abs are in. Here we go. Extend up. Pull in. For 9. 8. Good. 7. 6. 4 more. 4. 3. Last 2. And 1 more. Beautiful job. Knees down, sink back and stretch. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and finish up with some stretches for your lower back. Let's do some cat-cows. Hands and knees position, little separation in the knees. Take a deep breath, inhale, then exhale through the mouth. Pull the belly button to the spine, look between the knees, drop the head, and then inhale, flat back and gaze forward. Good, exhale, pull in. Inhale, flat back. Exhale in. Inhale, flat back. Just do 2 more. Good. Exhale in. Inhale, flat. And last one. Exhale in. Inhale, flat back. Beautiful job. Sink back. Give me that nice child's pose stretch. And bring this up. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. Feel free to rewind this video and do it a second or even a third time. don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, check out my new website, allyfitatl.com, and also my Instagram at allyfitatl. See you next time.